Hi, I'm August Bryce, and we're going to talk about your air filter or your dehumidifier and EMF. First of all, let's just take care of wireless EMF. If your air filter has an app or a Wi-Fi or some kind of wireless signal, then you will see wireless EMF. And that's what this meter is detecting. Right off the bat, I want to show you that really nothing is coming from this air doctor because now I've turned on my phone and we should see some movement with this Safe and Sound Pro. Okay, that's only coming from my phone. Now my phone's on airplane mode and can pretty much just eliminate this from the conversation. No wireless EMF, which by the way, comes from your phone, from your Wi-Fi, from any Bluetooth speaker in your home. You will see wireless EMF. This is the type of EMF that we're seeing so much research about, how it interferes with our fertility, causes cancer, dysregulates our calcium channels in our cells. It's very serious, and we want to avoid that as much as possible. Now, with your wonderful Air Doctor filter, whichever beautiful filter you have in your home, you should be concerned about electric EMF and magnetic EMF. Electric EMF will come with anything that has a cord. And so if your cord is grounded, if your home is properly grounded, it won't be as bad, but there will always be some electric fields. Now, the building biologists say that for a safe sleeping area, this meter that's measuring electric fields, oh, by the way, look at how my hand, the energy from my body interferes with that electric field measurement. Please, if you're measuring electric fields, do not hold or touch the meter. Do not put your body in between what you're trying to measure and the electric meter. Now, magnetic is really like an offshoot of electric fields. You know, those big, huge power lines that are over some homes, those radiate huge amounts of magnetic fields. And those can be very, very dangerous. I'm going to link a story, an article that talks about this EMF, and be sure to watch the video with Larry Gus talking specifically about magnetic fields. Now let's look at the air doctor. What are we seeing right here?
0.11.
Okay, so the building biologists say for a safe sleeping area, we want to be below 0.5, but watch what happens. It's a function of the fan, and the higher the fan speed goes, the more you'll see that magnetic increase. See how that works? And the best thing that you can do to avoid both electric and magnetic is distance from the source. So how are we now?
0.
0, yes. Really, it just takes distance. You can also turn it off. But when you turn it off, watch what happens. If you've got a dehumidifier or a filter or a fan that you're leaving off, know that it's so much better to unplug, because watch both of these meters as I do just that. Okay, that's no power at all coming through the cords. So your electric exposure and your magnetic exposure will be as little as it can be when it's unplugged. I'm August Bryce with TechWellness.com. Follow me for more information about EMF and living well with technology.